Hello, my wonderful subscribers and to the people watching me around the globe. Me mo bi akwa abashon kopa ese abeyo Odeneho channel to you. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel Odeneho TV. Obe like, obe comment your comment section. We so obe click on the notification button for more news updates. Make sure and more reference so obe share link na mami. We so obe recommend this channel Odeneho TV to many people and platforms. This year Ato Goes about the missing ambulances na say na so manga na chese na court na omo when I'm so Seth Terkper edin send about bunting about the ambulance ayra de Ato Goes na akwa that came out court or standing as witness na in sema na no confess e court the mediation for ese wani enso akachira me pese me so bre no adaji bebre no me sure so beka me honi akoti audio ni mu entry mu answer na no subscribe to our YouTube channel Odeneho TV obe like obe comment your comment section we so abe click on the notification button for more news updates yen chan woni nkoti masitia me das
enti e wo se emra ene no edie ye wo ho na Big C General Trading Limited from Dubai ebe hu the office of the Attorney General say ye mo nkwan na nka wo muntua 2.37 million euro ni ntwa case nim the Leonard Attorney General Godfrey Yabo Adame editor just say debi emra mu yenya ne sa let the law have its course on minority leader case Ato Goes enti anya yi na ansem yetete from the Deputy Attorney General Alfred Yabo say they've received letters from lawyers of case Ato Goes telling the court senka omoma kwama the third party which is Big C General Trading Limited they make payment na assembly tuntwa eno so no anya juma ewo na Seth Terkper ya afi na case ni nyina be gina no so because case Ato Goes and the lawyer Bizita Makolo make known to the court to say without the authorization of a substantive minister a deputy minister cannot make authorization of payment in an international agreement. Yeah, such an agreement between the government of Ghana and Dubai in the purchasing of ambulance. Entino, Seth Terkper, ena bibia esinu so Ato Goes and he acted on the authority of the substantive minister. Entina was a Seth Terkper eba never testify. Echire mu se no kre. Wona wo ma Ato Goes to me man ko tu SK ya. Manya due diligence on inspecting the ambulances before its delivery ana. Seth Terkper jitumu say o America brochimemu de ene nso sa kwanya ba mu a obe testify via video link. Ene wa testify via video link. Na ti asama Seth Terkper kan. So interesting. Yebenya breni ewurewu. Now, Emra Justice Efia Sewa Asaribotwe etranse na wo frɛ star witness because say one na case ni nyina abegana so Seth Terkper no asama Seth Terkper kan ni o say I was the one that gave authorization to KSL Ato Goes to write to the Bank of Ghana requesting for letters of credit to be set up in favor of Big C General Trading Limited of Dubai for the supply of those 30 ambulances that turned out to be defective. And the first statement I said, Terkper say, ono ne man the deputy Ato Goes to me say onche krata ebeya dansidie krata ekire say ye tuasi kadia ma Big C General Trading Limited na yensa ka ambulances sa ono agitum say ekowi ekire no na ambulances no edam ne nkikawa ewo ho yanto aswe Mr. Terkper testified that the authorization was given at a special management meeting he personally chaired at the Finance Ministry following the receipt of a legal opinion from the Attorney General and the Ministry's legal department to ensure the execution of a contract between the government of Ghana and Big C in Dubai for the supply of 200 ambulances to avert TNU, to avert the payment of judgment debt if Big C sued the government due to the lengthy delays and breaches of the contract. TNU, as someone said, Terkper and Nadia, all country Ghana for one say, no correct. Or no nema case Ato Goes to me, say all issues are letters of credit and Yakobo Yake. Na omotra asisi nkonya fa adwene e was special management meeting ya wo no as finance minister e ne tra epunachi etoto nyoma na omo san eje emra musuahunu edi free saa bre no attorney general no ho Emma Saben Attorney General ne can say enam say contractor o my Ghana any Big C General Trading Limited that sign no ya twentwan ye na asesa ni nti no say yankwa nkotua sika amfa anyi 200 ambulances no a o my no basa boka atua sika foforo bio ya your friend judgment debt esane say o manyante ye say Big C General Trading Limited wo Dubai aya won adwene say obesi o my Ghana enti say ambulances no say ye say enye say emiti standard according to Seth Terkper efutu a oman so ahwefo a ohwe emramu nsem ka kire omone say enam say contract no ya na nene wo kina na wo muso say Big C besi yenti yenkwane yakwa ambulance na mrasa enunti enama wo no Seth Terkper ejina ne tumi so share Ato force say won fa krata enko oman yi nyina sikakra bia so ye na omunko tuya says can form a Big C General Limited. As to said your can you agree with him or not? It is your own prerogative. But in some way a year Seth Terkper can report. The former finance minister said claims by the Attorney General that Dr. Forsen caused the letters of credit to be set up without due course and authorization were untrue because he personally authorized them. Seth Terkper enti Seth Terkper na ekire mu say Attorney General Godfrey Yabadame ko gina baby say letters of credit no a ekoye no na ye without course any authorization ya no correct na ye with course na the course no say upon advice from the then Attorney General and the legal department of the Ministry of Finance kire say contract no ya che wo ho dodo enti kwan bia so yankoni yankotua insan say Big C siu yen a ye betua judgment dem yen tani you eye den no hunu say Big C be siu yen in any case Big C siu yen who delayed the contract in tia the length of the agreement etwentwen ne nase who delayed it because it was a simple memorandum of understanding between the government of Ghana, the Ministry of Finance and the Ministry of Health through an intermediary. Ya your friend Richard Japa, ya your country director de Big C Ghana. Sort ya say, sa mon kwa na mon ko he, ya ni je ho. Mu issue letters of credit yan famra, enti him for na twincho mo na se, e ma contract ni delay enti na idie. Seth Terkper ka kire ye say, they receive legal advice. Say contract ni twincho na se. Enti say ambulance, say ambulance. Say ye 207, say ye pragia, say ye bobo ya, yan kwa jemra because say the length of the contract. Chukwechi. Yantuasu. Also, Mr. Terkper elaborated further in his witness statement that he received an option from the Attorney General in 2014, which said that failure to execute the contract with Big C would result in judgment debt if the latter went to court over undue delays in the execution of the contract for the supply of the ambulances and breaches by the government of Ghana. Mr. Terkper indicated that the Attorney General's opinion to him was emphatic that all governmental approvals had been obtained for the contract and that the option was binding on all government agencies engaged in the transaction. Seth Terkper say, Onyanteye the free Attorney General said, Abai ana montuo bia wo ye bia eye force ye po ye mpo esese ye kotu yeska transaction bia esese ye he further said that the letters of credit in question were set up on approval basis, which meant that the Ministry of Health had to indicate their approval of documentation from Big C proving the shipment of the ambulances and then proceed to authorize the Bank of Ghana to make payment under the letter of credit if they were satisfied that Big C had met all conditions. Eha and the Kwatche Health Minister Sabreno Aban Bagbe ena afi ajemamanu ediba. Say Terkper say letters of credit no na enya automatic payment. Na mom na ye on approval basis. Approval basis ni kire say minister and a ministry of health and what say no mo kire say yakọ big C yakọ hen kratem yakọ hen ambulances no mo de breye ye ni je ho enti Bank of Ghana yi muntua 2.37 million euro no enfama big C san say enkrata samu ayehwe mu eni de yakọ hunu no ye ni je ho according to Seth Terkper ni kire mu no enti if any payment whatsoever was to be made, it was dependent on the approval from the Ministry of Health after thorough investigations was done, both on the contractual terms and the manufacturing element, which is the ambulance. Without proper investigation into these two, the approval of the letters of credit was null and void, according to Seth Terkper. Until say nanke ye beje enhihye ye wo krata so ene die yakohu no Dubai ambulance o de ben na tumu no na letters of credit no nanka enye payments on its own because approval no ena na emma authorization to the Bank of Ghana say siketua bi enkoso. This is according to Seth Terkper. What he said, the establishment of the letter of credit which fell within the purview of the finance ministry was distinct from payment which had to be approved by the Ministry of Health, and wondered how the Ministry of Finance could be blamed for any defect in the ambulance when the responsibility for ascertaining their state and condition rested with the Ministry of Health. And he said, Terkper say payment could too. Every Bank of Ghana, the na actually say, and the na Ministry of Health, Juma na was so more year, post inspection, pre inspection in Iden, a cost ye, and ama authorization, and the Akoma Ministry of Finance, so Mukunku to Escano. Sana say, Sa asudie no say, yen hwe, say ambulance e ba no, ye pepepe, bibia da wano, sa pepepe netie, say the esi peno no sa netie. Sa sudie no nyina no ne da Ministry of Health so enti emra a wo mo nsaka to me say omo ntueska no omo de omo azumu say nipa asudie ne da no so say onhwe say bibia da so pepepe no waye na adwuma because